Excuses won't change your future. So many people talk about money, saying that they want extra money, but when the opportunity with Dewpoint knocks at their door, they become hesitant. What many people don't see behind the scenes are ordinary South Africans quietly reducing their debt, parents supporting their children's education and sharing in their dreams, people being able to prepare for retirement and to retire comfortably one day. And these were all individual outcomes, all achieved through patience, effort, consistency, and an absolute attitude of refusing to give up. So let me ask you this. What would financial freedom mean to you? Share your thoughts down below.